one of the things that I see a lot of people do incorrectly in the tire repair process is use a pre-buff cleaner after they buff. So one of the reasons it's important to use it before we buff is especially on this tire, we can see that there's a lot of mold release agents that are on the inside of this tire. That's a byproduct of the tire manufacturing process. And these surface emollients and mold release agents can load up the buffing rasp. That's right. So if we were just to buff first, these lubricants would load up on our buffing wheel. So what we want to do first is use our pre-buff solution and a scraper two or three times to clean off the prepared area. And you can see, after we're done completing the scraping, that just on the surface, it doesn't have the sheen that the rest of the tire has that hasn't been treated this way. And furthermore, you can see all of the stuff that's come off of the inside of the tire. That stuff, had we not done this treatment beforehand, would either be loaded up in our buffing rasp or would be driven inside of the tire and loaded on the inside of the tire, negatively impacting our vulcanization.